Welcome back to the channel, riders. If you love your Zontes 125 or 150 as much as I know you do, then today's chat is one you don't skip. We're diving into the real reason engine oil and filter changes are the single most important bit of maintenance you'll ever do on your bike. It's simple, it's cheap, and it's the difference between a smooth, eager engine and a tired one begging for mercy. So settle in, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's talk about keeping your Zontes running like the precision machine it was built to be. Now, whether you're riding the sharp-edged Zontes 125U, the upright G, the sporty Z, or the punchy 150 series, all these engines share one thing. They're high-compression, high-efficiency singles that work hard every time you twist that throttle. These aren't lazy engines. They rev, they cool fast, they heat fast, and they rely on clean, healthy oil to survive. Oil isn't just lubrication. It's the bloodstream of your engine. It carries heat away from the piston and cylinder walls, it cushions the crankshaft, it protects the camshaft, and it keeps the gearbox shifting like butter. But here's the catch, oil doesn't last forever. Every ride, every cold start, every high rev pull slowly breaks it down. Inside your Zontes engine, temperatures can climb well past 200 degrees. Add combustion byproducts, microscopic metal particles, clutch material, and moisture from the air, and suddenly that golden oil starts turning dark, thin, and acidic. When that happens, it stops protecting the engine the way it should. The friction increases. The heat rises. The wear accelerates. And before you know it, the engine that once felt tight and responsive starts to feel rough, noisy, and sluggish. That's why Zontes, and every serious manufacturer, gives you a strict oil change interval. It's not a suggestion. It's a survival plan. And then there's the oil filter. Think of it as the engine's kidney. Every time the oil circulates, the filter traps the dirt, the carbon, the metal flakes, the clutch dust, all the tiny nasties you don't want grinding around inside your engine. But once that filter fills up, it can't do its job. The oil bypasses it, unfiltered, and suddenly your engine is bathing in its own debris. That's when you get premature wear on the cam lobes, scoring on the piston, and that gritty feeling in the gearbox. A 6-pound filter can save you from a 600 pounds rebuild. It's that simple. Zontes engines are built with tight tolerances and modern metallurgy. They're efficient, powerful, and incredibly reliable, but only if you give them fresh oil. These engines rely on stable lubrication to maintain compression, cooling, and smoothness. Clean oil means easier cold starts, quieter running, better fuel economy, and a longer-lasting engine. You'll feel the difference instantly after a change. The throttle response sharpens. The idle smooths out. The gearbox shifts cleaner. It's like giving the bike a deep breath of fresh air. And here's the part riders often forget. Small engines work harder than big ones. A 125 or 150 is spinning higher, more often, and under more load relative to its size. That means the oil has a tougher life. So sticking to your oil and filter schedule isn't just recommended, it's essential. It's the number one thing you can do to protect your investment, your performance, and your peace of mind. So if you're riding a Zontes 125 or 150, make oil changes part of your routine. Don't wait for the engine to feel rough. Don't wait for the oil to look black. Don't wait for the warning signs. Fresh oil is cheap. Engines are not. Treat your bike well, and it will reward you every single ride. If you enjoyed this chat and you want more Zontes tips, guides, and deep dives, make sure you subscribe, ring that bell, and join the community. Your bike deserves it, and so do you.